this guide, I'll show you how to create a Facebook page. First, tap the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Scroll down and look for Pages. If you don't see it immediately, tap See More. Once you find Pages, tap on it. Now tap Create at the top left and then select Get Started at the bottom. Enter your page name. This could be for a business, fan page, or anything else, and tap Next single quotes. Next. Choose a category that best describes your page. For example, I'll select something related to gaming. Type in a keyword and pick the most relevant tags. Once that's done, tap Create at the bottom. Facebook will now guide you through a few more steps where you can describe your page, add contact information, and customize it. To switch between your Facebook page and personal account, tap your profile picture in the bottom right. At the top, you'll see your Facebook page's profile picture. Just tap it to switch. Guide helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.